If you want to download new apps on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you have two ways to do so. The main way to download new apps is by using the Play Store, which we can find, for example, over here in the home screen by default, or by going to the app screen or the app drawer. Over here, you will need to use your Google account, but essentially you can go, for example, to apps and scroll through different categories over here, different options, and we can simply tap on the app that we wish to install and then press this install button. Of course, we can switch to categories in order to search for something more specific, and if you know what kind of app you want to download, you know the specific name of the app, then you can go to search, tap over here at the tab, enter the name of the app, and then you can find it like this as well. Another way to download new apps is by using the Store app. This is the Samsung or Galaxy Store, and it is also available by default in the home screen here, but also over here in the apps screen. So in this case, we can also use it just like the app screen. It works pretty much the same way, but some apps might be missing over here, or the other way around, you might find some apps here that are not available in the Google Play Store. And it works pretty much the same way, just like the app screen. So if you find the app that you wish to install, then you can select it and then press install button at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!